if you saw the pinned comment has the form. So if you'd like to submit something for that, click that link and type in your suggestion. Make them good. All right, we got a lot of suggestions, 35 already. First one's gonna be, we're gonna bombard Earth with a ton of asteroids and see if it can survive. This is like OG stuff. This is like literally what my entire channel was like a year ago. All right, here's Earth. Earth's at 92% chance of life right now. So we're gonna throw a ton of asteroids at it and then see if it can recover. Like see if humanity will survive such a thing. Spaceship, we're gonna die if you do that. No, watch. Earth versus 100 asteroids. Ready? There's one. We're gonna count to 100. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need faster time. 11, 12. Wait, why are they all the same? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6. We'll just click it for a minute. All right, you guys think Earth will survive this? We'll get some on the other side too. Wait. Pause. Prediction. Will Earth's life likelihood return to above 90%? Because obviously it's not going to be 100% dead, but do you guys think it'll recover back to pretty much how it is now? Let's see. Usually it does recover pretty well, but is it going to recover back to 90%? Here we go. Okay, let's watch all of these collide with Earth now. Most people think no. Yeah, 61% no. Okay, the first couple asteroids have just hit, and the first big wave is getting there now. Ooh, okay, that's not good. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's actually doing a lot of damage, a lot of like fragmentation. Oh, now it's getting hit from all over. That is not good, dude. All right, that actually, like, in terms of human destruction, that would probably kill lots and lots of people. But in terms of Earth, it looks like it's going to be mostly okay. Let's see. 75. So if it goes above 90, then the prediction it was yes, it can recover. 83, 84, 87. Is it going to stop? Ooh. 89. Oh, it's going back down. Wait, give it more time. Oh, that's crazy. Wait, it stopped right there? Wow. Okay, I guess it didn't recover from that. That's crazy, though. That was right below 90%. All right. It did not make it back above 90, but I mean, technically, Earth is probably still fine. Make every single planet binary with itself. I wonder if we could do that. That's a good one. I want to try that. So we're just going to give each planet a copy of itself and see if they're all stable. Like that. Oh. Okay, well, Mercury is going to be probably the hardest because it's so small. I'm just going to do them all and then press play and see which ones work and which ones don't. So there's Mercury, and then Venus binary, and then Earth binary. I don't want to like get them too close that the Roche limit kills them. I might have done that on Venus. Like that actually might be too close, but we'll see. Uranus. Okay, let's see which ones hold their orbit and which ones don't. I'll just play and speed up time. Let's go with the inner planets first. No way, are they kind of working? Look, Mercury's working. Okay, wait, are they all gonna work? Venus? No way. I know it looks like it's orbiting, but if you like focus on the other one, that's how you know they're binary. Because if you look at their trails, if you're like, you can see they're going around each other like that. That means, yeah, they're definitely binary. Earth is working too. Dude, wait, I didn't think they would all work. I thought like at least Mercury wouldn't work. Mars? Okay, this is kind of sick actually. All the inner planets worked. What about Jupiter? Looks great. I wonder, okay, wait, I'm gonna add all of Jupiter's moons onto both of them and see how that would affect it. Okay, so each Jupiter now has all of the moons. Let's see if this changes anything. Oh, yeah, that definitely... Okay, the moons are gonna affect stuff. I don't know if it's really gonna affect their orbits because they're so massive, but like that caused a few collisions. At least the moon's orbits are getting messed up like crazy. So yeah, binary planets actually works very well. I didn't think it would actually work as well as it did. I assume Saturn is gonna work too. Let's put Saturn's rings on, because Universe Sandbox doesn't default with them on because it like uses a lot of computing power to simulate them. But if we add Saturn's rings to both of them, do you guys think the rings will stay intact or they'll get destroyed? I bet they're gonna get destroyed. Let's see. Oh. Okay, wait, they're actually kind of okay. They're like swirling a bit. Ah, okay, wait. Whoa, okay. They're surprisingly stable. Oh wait, look, they're like, the gravity's pulling them into weird angles, but I thought the particles would go everywhere, dude. That is actually kind of surprising how well they're staying around. I feel like they're getting more deformed over time though. I'm gonna give it some more time and see what happens. Yeah, they definitely are. Like, look, that doesn't look like a ring anymore. Whoa, okay, that looks so weird. It's becoming like a wall of particles going around each one. It's like every pass they get more and more deformed. Yeah, now it's like, instead of like a flat ring, it's like a three-dimensional ring around each one. This is cool. Is this their final form? Are they going to eventually destroy themselves? We'll check back again on these at the end, but for now I want to make sure all the other planets are still binary. Here's Uranus. Looking pretty good, binary. I guess binary relationships are pretty stable. And then Neptune also. Looks good. So that actually worked really well. Oh, look at Jupiter's moons, dude. Oh my gosh. Almost every single one of the moons, it looks like, got shot out of orbit and is now just orbiting the sun. And only the very, very inner moons are getting held on. Whoa, okay, that's kind of cool. So you can't really support lots of moons. And then this like turned into like, what would you even call that? It's like an actual 3D ring. Jupiter got a girlfriend and evicted all its kids, bro. Here, that'll keep running. I'm gonna look for the next suggestion. We could terraform Mercury. I'd be down to try to terraform. I'm in the new terraforming update, so it might be kind of hard. Okay, let's see if we can get Mercury to have life. So obviously right now, Mercury's gonna have 0 life. Absolutely none. So it's weird with this whole new update. I think it gets really hot on the side that's closest to the sun, you know? So let's see if we can get it to rotate faster so that heat is more evenly spread. So now it's gonna rotate once per day like Earth, and this should start to even out because then the same side's not facing the sun for a long time. I'm gonna speed up. Yeah, see, it's evening out. Okay, it is pretty hot. We're gonna need an atmosphere to shield the radiation and a magnetic field too. So let's get an atmosphere on here. Wait, Mercury has a small atmosphere? Let's give it 1 Mars mass of atmosphere because Mercury's a lot smaller than Earth. Maybe a little more. I want to like be able to see it. There we go. Okay, so you can start to see the atmosphere. It's about 12% Earth's atmosphere. So we have an atmosphere now. That is very important for life. I'm gonna add a magnetic field because Mercury's definitely, look how close Mercury is to the sun. The sun's right there. We're definitely gonna need that to protect it. Oh, it has a little one already. We're gonna make it stronger because we really need it to be protected from the solar radiation. Like, yeah, that's gonna be a lot better. And look at that, we already have a very, very small chance of life just from protecting it from the sun. Okay, we're gonna need some water. It has a little bit of ice, it looks like. So if we turn up the sea level, can we start to fill these craters in with water? Yeah, look at that. Okay. I think that's like good water coverage because you want like mostly water. The problem is it's gonna be really hot. I wonder how we could cool it down without having to move it further away from the sun. What's our life likelihood with just that? 4%. Now the aliens are gonna survive the heat. Yeah. The life will evolve in the heat. Oh, we can probably give it a thicker atmosphere because we want the pressure to be higher. 170. The average temperature right now is 339 Fahrenheit or 171 Celsius. So that's really hot. How do we cool it down? Drop asteroids with ice? I mean, that seems like a temporary solution. And I feel like dropping ice, like in theory, you'd be like, oh, the ice is cold. But the impact, I think, would generate more heat than the ice would. Albedo? Oh, yeah. That changes how much light it absorbs, right? Average albedo. 0 absorbs all, 1 reflects all. So higher would be better, right? Because then it reflects more. Let's set the average temperature to like, still pretty warm, but like manageable, like 25 Celsius. That's pretty hot for an average temperature. And then we make the heating rate 0. Okay, that's pretty close to 0. So it should be stable at this temperature now. Increase orbital rotation speed. We just did that. We made it 1 day. What if we made it a little quicker? Half a day? So 1 day on Mercury is now 12 hours. Make a snowball. Wait till it melts. Just add some snow to it. What's our life likelihood with that? 5%? Dude, why is it so low still? Do we not have breathable? Here, look. Earth, pressure, and composition. What did that do? Oh, that just killed it. Wait, I was trying to make it so that gases in the atmosphere were the same as Earth. Is that... Oh, dude. wait, it worked. Look, 28%. Okay, wait, hold on. It just needs a second to breathe. Okay, so what that should have done is made it so the pressure and the composition, like the elements in the atmosphere, are the same as Earth. So give it basically its own version of Earth's atmosphere. And that looks like it worked. 28%. Make sun cooler full. I mean, you could do that, but I think we got the temperature figured out. 25. We could try to lower it to like 15. That's like what Earth is. And then we need to check the albedo. It looks like it's cooling down. Now we can adjust the visuals. I think the atmosphere looks a little too blue, so I'm going to turn up the Rayleigh scattering. Why does that make it more blue? Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. Why does it do that? That kind of looks sick. That's kind of cool. Wait. Why does that kind of look cool? The blue light scatters more, so less blue reaches your eyes. Is that what the Rayleigh scattering actually does? How light scatters off the molecules in the atmosphere. Okay. Let's add city lights onto it so it like looks like it has life on it. Why can't I see any of them? Wait, if habitable is it not? 28%? I feel like that's habitable enough. Let's go always, and does that fix it? Okay. So we have city lights now, and we can put vegetation on it to give it more of a green color. We'll turn it always on also. All right, there's our terraformed Mercury. I'm actually really proud of this. I think it's hard to get high life likelihood on smaller objects too. I think if we made it bigger, we'd get higher, but I don't want to change it too much because then it's like, is it even Mercury anymore?
Chip, check out Saturn's moon Enceladus. It has its molten core on this southern pole.
Chip, check out Saturn's moon Enceladus has a molten core on its southern pole. Let's look on here. Let's find Enceladus. Enceladus is right here. This is what it looks like on here. I don't think this has... Oh, it does show that it has a lot of water on it. What if we can melt it? Melt all? Oh, dude, now it's just water. What's the life likelihood? Oh, it's not 0, dude. Chance of life on Enceladus? What? Wait, was it above 0 when I first checked it? All right, next suggestion. Make Pluto habitable, then destroy it by throwing 20 asteroids at it. That's so mean to it. I like it. We're doing it. We hate Pluto anyway. Come here, Pluto. Yeah, that's mine. This is for you, Slugs, for your birthday. So we're going to make Pluto habitable, and then we're going to throw 20 asteroids at it. All right, Pluto. This is going to be harder than Mercury, I think, because it's so cold out here. We're going to need a really thick atmosphere. Can we do the atmosphere presets again? Atmosphere, Earth, pressure, and composition. Okay, it doesn't like to hold on to the atmosphere. Maybe make it thicker first. Okay, it doesn't like to hold... It might be too small to hold on to an atmosphere. Because like as soon as you start to add more, it just goes away. In previous versions, if you added a little bit of hydrogen, it would help keep the atmosphere on. So let's see if I could add a little bit of hydrogen. Where's the hydrogen? Show all. Hydrogen. 1,500 kilograms. Bro, okay, it doesn't add. See, this update is really hard because it doesn't... I feel like it doesn't work half the time. Add some weight using asteroids. Okay, we'll throw some decently sized, like small moons into it to help give it some mass. Like that should definitely cause something. Check that out. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's watch the mass while we do this. Let's get it like... Oh, wait, look, that asteroid or moon seemed to have an atmosphere of its own, like gases or something that are now being added to Pluto. All right, let's throw some more. Why do they all look the same? Oh, I guess they don't. They look very similar, all the moons I'm throwing. Okay, you can see the mass is going up, which is good. We'll have to wait for it to cool down before we can really make it habitable. Let's get it to like 1% of Earth's mass. So that should be like 3 times bigger than it is now. then it should hopefully be big enough to hold on to an atmosphere. So we have to kill Pluto to make Pluto habitable. I wonder if it's even going to look like Pluto after all this. Okay, 0.006. We want it 0.01. Pluto's being harassed in all the ways possible. Beauty is pain. We have to destroy it to make it beautiful, and then we'll destroy it again. Okay, 0.008. We want 0.01. A little more. Okay, almost there. 0.009. A little more. Okay, there we go. See, it's 0.01 masses of Earth. Let's give it time to like actually recover from all of this destruction. Let's make sure it's like still in orbit. That probably affected its orbit. Okay, Pluto, I'm gonna need you to cool down. What do you look like now? Does it have an atmosphere now? Okay, it's very blue. That's the atmosphere, right? What if we turn off? Okay, that is the atmosphere. That's actually good because we're gonna need a thick atmosphere anyway because of how far away it is from the sun. I'm gonna keep speeding up time till the average temperature stabilizes so we can see what it's gonna end up being at. Okay, it looks like it's still dropping below what we want. So what we can do is add, there's an atmosphere layers thing. This thing, it's at 4 right now. Let's raise it to like 140. How does that affect temperature? Still cooling down. This is what Venus has. Venus, we want like Venus-like because Venus is super hot and traps in a lot of heat, and that makes it way too hot. But out here, we're gonna need that. How high do we need it to like get the temperature to stabilize? Because we want it at like 15. Wait, did I do it? Stable? And we're going 3 months a second. Okay, that looks pretty stable. It looks like it's gonna drop very slowly, but that looks like it's gonna be okay for now. What's our life likelihood just from that? 0. We're gonna need some water. I'm going to turn off the atmosphere visual. Sea level. Okay, I'm worried that's not a water. Okay, that looks like water now. There's no land though. It's either, okay, that's definitely not water. We need that weird tool that replace materials. Replace all, okay, wait. What is the ocean made of? That is not water. Is it methane? What's this light blue one? That's uranium liquid. It's frozen, silly. That's not frozen. That's liquid something. Terraforming is so hard in this update. I'm gonna be completely honest. Can I show layers? Okay, ocean. Oh, okay, methane ocean. So if we go here, replace all methane with water. Conserve depth. Ah, okay. Okay, you see that? Now we have water in the oceans. What's our life likelihood? 1%. Let's go. Okay. I think we're spinning too fast. Let's slow it down to 0.7 days. And that should help the water cover better because if you're spinning too fast, the water is going to get pulled to the equator. Pluto has 2 continents, lefty and righty. It should have better continent coverage after this. It looks like it's still going to have like the poles are going to be its continents and then the entire equator is going to be covered in liquid. We got a good temperature. We have water. Do we have a breathable atmosphere? I think so. It's got oxygen. 1.6%. Do we have a magnetosphere? Let's add a little one. I like the way this looks. Let's just finish it off with some vegetation that is always on and some city lights always on. And we need to bring back the atmosphere. Also, probably turn off the magnetosphere visual and make it look a little better. Hey, look, that's Pluto. Now that we have terraformed Pluto with a 1% chance of life, 1.6, that's better than 0, right? Now we destroy it. Pluto, you get to destroy your former self. Here it comes. All right, Pluto versus new Pluto. We didn't make it that much bigger. Oh. Okay. Okay. We need some more of this. Sorry, Pluto. Okay, if Pluto has any chance of life after this, I will have a little bit more respect for Pluto. Okay, wait. We'll give it time. If Pluto has any chance of life, I will hate Pluto slightly less. Okay, I'm gonna give it enough time to cool down. That's as fast as it goes. Oh, it's not 0.003% chance of life, and it's glowing hot still. All right, this Pluto's all right. Real Pluto, no, but this one that I made here, it's all right. All right, next suggestion. Give the moon J1407b rings. That would look cool. Let's try that one. I wonder how that would affect Earth, like if the particles are gonna hit Earth or what. Okay, so let's give Earth the moon. And then someone Google how big are J1407b's rings. It's like 180 million kilometers or something like that. The rings are bigger than our sun. Yeah, they are massive. They are extremely big. It's insane. So I'm just gonna go with, what's the best ring to do it with? Realistic, probably. I'm gonna add this, see what it looks like. Yeah, let's do that, but then we can change the properties. So we'll keep the inner radius the same, but the outer radius we want 120 million, so 120,000,000 kilometers. And then we'll turn the number of particles to the max. Let's see if this crashes the game. Add ring. Okay, that didn't work. Why is it? Right, that's not 120 million kilometers, dude. Undo. Let's try it with the Saturn ring preset. Number of particles. Max.
I was wrong. It was 180 million pensive face.
Oh, 180 million. Okay. Inner radius, we'll keep that. 180,000,000 kilometers. See, that should work. Add ring. Did it work? Oh, yeah, it did. But look, it's so big that when you're up close on the moon, it looks like it didn't work, even with max particles, because it needs to spread them out so wide. But look how big J1407b's rings are. If the moon had them, this is what it would look like in the solar system. That's crazy. They're so big. Okay, let's see if the game will even run. I was thinking like, oh, are the particles gonna hit Earth? But like, they're so spread out, like that's not gonna happen. How fast can I run it? Not very fast at all. Look, the sun is like not having fun with those. The moon is not holding any of these in. We're just basically threw a bunch of particles into the solar system. When the radius is bigger than an astronomical unit, it's like double, look, because astronomical unit is Earth to the sun, and it goes like a whole nother thing. It's like more than double, I think. Yeah, the sun is definitely throwing these all around. This is literally as fast as I can run it. My computer will not let me run it any quicker, but you can see it's getting deformed over time. If this was realistic, there would be a lot more particles and Earth probably would get hit, but I just think they're so spread out, like Earth's gonna be fine. All right, well, that's what happens if you put J1407b rings on the moon. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Put Proxima Centauri next to the sun. That's pretty good. Let's do that. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the sun. So what if our solar system's closest star, Proxima Centauri, were to somehow fly through our system? Let's launch it. Like, let's say it flew right through the system, like pretty close to the sun, like here. What would happen? Let's see. Because Proxima Centauri is a lot smaller than the sun. It's only 12%, but 12% is still 129 times more massive than Jupiter. So it's definitely got some mass to it. Let's see what happens. Will Earth survive this? Proxima Centauri flying through our solar system. I don't know what I think. I think Earth will probably survive, but I think it's possible that it doesn't. All right, 85% think yes, Earth will survive. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. So it launched itself out. So it and the sun kind of like went around each other, and the sun got launched down, which is going to pull the planets with it. And then I think that's all, because Proxima Centauri is definitely leaving now. But the sun is a lot stronger than Proxima Centauri, so it's still going to pull the planets with it. And it looks like Earth is pretty much okay. Oh, wait, it came back. Okay, wait, it's not over. Proxima Centauri is now in a very, very elliptical orbit with it. So let's see how this affects the system over time. And there goes Earth, I think. I think Earth might be gone. Or it's just in a very wide orbit now. Okay, this isn't good. This is not good for anyone. Okay, I think Earth died, guys. It's frozen over. This is not going well. Let's speed up time more and just see what happens after a long time. Is this gonna stabilize it like this? Oh, See, Earth's getting thrown. Okay. I don't even know what to do with this. Where's Earth? Is Earth still here or is it gone now? Where'd it go? Oh, Earth's right here. Oh, and there goes Earth. Earth is gone. No longer in orbit. Earth has not survived Proxima Centauri flying through our system. All right, that is gonna be it for today in Universe Sandbox, but we'll bring this back, do not worry. Just make sure you come to the streams and your suggestion can be in a video. If you're watching on YouTube, like the video and subscribe. Thank you all for coming to Universe Sandbox. Goodbye. That's for the video.